Merging cells is done exactly the same way and for the same reasons in Excel as it was when we learned about it for tables in Microsoft Word. So let's say that this is going to be a sales receipt and you wanted to put the title sales receipt up here. Well, it really won't fit in that little space, but it might fit all the way across. So if we decide we want to center it and put it all at the top, you click on all 4 of those cells, and then the button is merge and center, and it even shows you what it's all about. We click that, and if you notice, if I click away and click back, that's all one cell. So now I can type in sales receipt, and it'll be automatically centered. So that's merging cells. So that's pretty easy. The other thing I wanted to show you was the auto calculate space, which works very much like the word count place in Microsoft Word. So let's say we wanted to add these up without doing that auto sum thing. If we just selected those 4 cells and you look down here at the bottom of the screen, it shows you the average, which you may not need to know. It counts, there's 4 cells you counted, and it sums it, $1,620.87, which is the same as this. So it gives you this little thing automatically, and if for some reason you wanted to count these, you could do the same thing. I mean, anything that you highlighted would be counted and summed and averaged there, and it's just a little convenience thing, and believe me, it comes in handy very often. Okay, if you were going to print your spreadsheet, now I've got a bunch of things on this spreadsheet, and I don't want to print all this stuff. I just want to print that little sales receipt place where we were on the spreadsheet. So let's put that up a little higher again so you can see it. Move it over to the center. So if I just want to print this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the whole area that I want to print, and I'm going to click on Page Layout, Print Area, Set Print Area. Now if I go up to File, just like Microsoft Word, and click on Print, you'll see that that's the only thing, the only part of the page that's going to be printed. Now also, if you want to, if you go to Page Setup, and you may not remember, just know that this is possible. In Page Setup, if you wanted to print the grid lines, you could go over here to Sheet, Show Grid Lines. If I click OK, you get the grid lines as well. So there's a lot of flexibility in how you can print and things you can print. And if you ever have any questions, please come and ask me. I'm happy to help you. You probably won't remember all this.